current state of the manufacturing of the LdreamM headsets. First, I would like to start with a change. I show you here is the EEG headset which I use every night, and earlier here and on the other side here we had a bone conducting transducers. I don't know if you can see, this is a teeny one, and they were here at these places. But the problem was with these transducers that if the headset was on the head and we were in a sitting position, or if we were lying on the back, then it was not tightly enough, so the headset didn't contract to our head and our bone tightly. That is why the sound was very quiet. That's why I have decided, still it was still not too late, I have decided to change it. Instead of these bone conducting transducers, I use some teeny, very teeny speakers, and they are here and here. So I added this part still to the headset, and this part, and these speakers are here very close to the ear. I am testing it. I tested already a week. Everything works fine. The sound quality is much better than it was with these bone conducting transducers, and much louder, so it can be used quite well. After the 3D printed parts were changed accordingly, I started 3D printing. Maybe you hear that next to me the 3D printer works, and I have finished already 2 sets of the 3D printed parts. So these are the parts for one headset. This is the upper part, the main box for the electronics, the lower part of this box. Here are some other parts which are around the head. You can see these ones and these ones, and these are for the electrodes. So this is one set, and I have finished the second set, and I started to collect them, so I will solder them and glue them, so it will be actually this part. The other thing is that I have received already a few components. This pack was delivered from the USA. Actually, this is the most expensive component. These are the EEG chips, EEG modules. I don't know if you can see it or not. These are the EEG modules. I have received these teeny speakers. I was talking about that a minute ago, and I still receive this one. These are the microcontrollers. Okay, so they are inside. I don't want to back it, but there are the microcontrollers, and okay, there are still the SD memory card holders. So far I have, so maybe you can see here that these are the memory card holders. Okay. What else? I am still during 3D printing, I still do a few little modifications and bug huntings on the software, so everything is going on. The only thing that I was calculated that one set of the headset can be printed, this one, can be printed during one working day, but unfortunately this is a bit smaller than I was expected. So for 3D printing the components of one EEG headset, it takes approximately 1.5 days. So two components of the headsets requires 3 days to print them. Okay, for today that is all. See you later.